Okay, it's Friday afternoon, January 16th, and this will be a startup test of the choking system, air choking system, or as they call today, fuel enrichment startup. And this AFB is also being tested. This is the little small 400 CFM AFB, and I've got it sort of Mickey Mouse as far as getting the lines to it, but this is just for a test. And at the same time, I'm testing this tachometer system that I just finished connecting. And these little paper tabs there, they remind me of what jets have installed in it, what the metering rod numbers are. This should be a good little carburetor because I have rebuilt it. Okay, let's see how it does. I haven't started it since Monday, so this will be a good cold start test too. Okay, here's where I positioned the little tachometer. I thought about putting it on the dash itself, but there's really not much there's no real support there to hold it, and I had a difficult time clearing the little hump back here, but I solved that problem. If I ever get a super lark tachometer, I'll probably put it right here. That'll bring back the speedometer. But for right now, we'll just leave it there. Or perhaps just to go into this here one day. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, and down here is where I put the little choke. And put the choke right there. And I had to... the choke didn't come with any brackets or anything, so I had to gizmo all that up. And if I pull it out, there's 100%, and then choke it back a little bit like that. Alright, let's see if everything works here. We'll find out. That works. Hey! Put the choke by the ignition switch so it'll always be at hand, close by. Alright, let's see. Okay, that looks better than I expected. Alright, I'm very happy with that. One less problem to deal with. Okay, thank you for viewing. Have a good day.